Alrighty guys, y'all know where I'm headed. That's right guys, back to Brothers Motors. Alright, got a couple of jobs we need to tend to and knock out, so I figured I'd stop by to see. We started on them. Wow, this caravan's still over here guys. I need to get in the owner's ear and tell him, oh, that looked like a 200 maybe. That's a Chrysler product, I know that. Guys, these cars on this lot can be fixed. I'm not sure. ProMaster, yes, we know everything about those. Another little Chrysler Avenger. Alright, let's go around. Let's go this way. Oh, they got a couple of engines over there they're doing. Let's go over here and see what's going on in here, guys. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's get it, man. Hey guys, I'm here. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. See a Cradle. That's guys, you know, once you damage these things and your alignment is off, it's no way to fix this. I know some guys will try to heat this up and weld this up, put it back in place. Just give it up, man. It's just what's weird because every Cradle out there on a particular car has to be at a salvage yard somewhere. In fact, we got a real good deal on this one here. Yes, she ordered it from particular. It doesn't have to be new. That's the thing. See, a lot of people get confused. This is just a piece of iron steel. It do not have to be new, ladies. You can use a used Cradle. It doesn't have to be OEM, Mopar, nothing like that. All right. So always know that that's an option. Here's this transmission. We had no choice but to replace, guys. Y'all know me. I love to build these, but this one was burned up inside out. I mean, the fluid was cooked, so they went way too long without servicing these things. In fact, speaking of service, we got a special going on, transmission service over here. Okay, so I'm going to leave that coupon in the description. In fact, if you need your transmission service, just give us a call, man. We're right here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. All right, y'all remember the, I think it's that Cadillac, that North Star engine. Finally got it done. Customers very pleased. So yes, we indulge in engine removal, a little bit of everything, guys. Now over here we got y'all recognize this. These are the vehicles we love, but we will work on just about anything. Pentastar. Yes, Pentastar, guys. We had some problems with this one. Got it all apart. Whoa, both heads off. I know what happened when both heads off. Timing become crucial. You really have to make sure you go back in. Well, that ain't no problem because we got the information we need to put it in time. But just in case you ever had to do one, I'm not sure this is a DIY job, guys. Especially if you're at home in your garage. Not really DIY. You can run into all kinds of problems. So pretty much, you might have to hightail it out to a shop to get something like this done. But it's all external, nothing internal to the engine. But yeah, we the king of Pentastars around here. We know everything about these inside out. So that is what's up. Yeah, we got the oil pan off and everything. So when we done, it's gonna be right back to normal. Okay, now y'all know about the ticking job. Y'all know. So we're gonna go through and inspect all of these. In fact, I think we got a package over there. We're going in with all new rock arms. All right, now this was not why we have it torn apart, but it has some problems. Okay, internal problems. I don't even think we're not gonna even use these camps. We get whole new heads, I think. Okay, because y'all know these should be laid out like this. So he obviously placed these over here, just for the arrangement's sake. Okay, well yeah, he gonna put in new camshafts and new rocker arms and lifters, but. Guys, y'all see this? I don't know if I'd be trying to tackle a Pentastar job without the special tools. New head gaskets. MLS, guys. Multi-layer steel head gaskets. Okay? Be wary of suspecting one of these type gaskets blown, as in blown head gasket, because if it is blown, you got some other problems. I have yet to replace the MLL gasket only. In other words, I will not go inside of an engine just to replace the MLS gaskets. I will suspect other problems. But yeah, here's the Challenger. This job is not that hard, guys. I don't want to put his license plate on him, but yeah, it's the Challenger. And this car required maintenance too, guys. Differential service. There's a time interval to service this thing, guys. You don't know how to do it or want to do it, bring it on by. We have specials going on the differential service as well. Okay, there's an entry port, exit port, and an entry port on these differentials. But the number one thing you should be worried about is that transmission. You want the transmission to last, prolong the life of it. You gotta get it. You gotta get that stuff serviced. Differentials, I want to say what? I gotta look in the book, but if I'm not mistaken, I think it's every 60. But yeah, this fluid in here, we use it's thicker weight fluid, but it breaks down just like anything else. So make sure these. And if that fluid break down, there goes your bearings. So you always want to make sure you're on top of that. Not sure what happened. Don't try to get out of me what happened, because I have no idea why somebody would need a cradle. This is not a rare item. I can't tell you what happened, but I can, however, show you what happened. So let's go over here to the car and see. Whoa! Whoa! See how lucky you oh my goodness, yeah, guy. This guy, a little luck played a role in this. Y'all see how close that is to the oil pan?
He must have been praying when he hit that.
Whoa!
Lord Jesus, what is that?
Yes, this what engine in this thing?
5.7.
Oh, this is the 5.7 Hemi, guys. So who knows what kind of? I don't want to speculate, and I'm not going to speculate. I just know. He did. Who knows what really happened? What? Hey, y'all know me. I do not judge. I do not judge. I do not engage in judgery. But all I know is some damage. Like I say, guys, this do not have to be OEM brand new. It can. A cradle is a cradle is a cradle. All right. But you got to get it done. So. Transmission? Oh, we're looking at a 5-speed nag transmission, guys. 5-speed nag transmission that requires service.
Yeah. The valve cover leaking. Also the
yes.
The oil.
So we we get phone calls, guys. Somebody else wants the valve covers work, but look at that, guys. Look how close that is. He would have had to replace this oil pan if he didn't. Oh, that's close. All right. Well, guys, that's all I have. Stay tuned. I'm going to come back and we're going to talk